All right, we are doing CSS Daily. We're not doing it for today. We're doing it for a long time ago. I have to find where I haven't done it. No, 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 no. Yes, I'm pretty sure I've done this one. Maybe not. I'm wrong. This one's the one I've done. Yeah, I did terrible on this one. Well, I did 80%. Mostly background. Mostly background. This is the next one that I haven't done yet. Let's turn on the HTML. We have our review card. This one is all on the screen. That's helpful. We have a header. In the header, we have product info, which is this stuff. And then we have overall score, which is this stuff. Then we have, we're calling it the rating breakdown, I think. I would call it the body, but rating breakdown's fine. Then they have multiple rating rows with sound quality, a track. Yeah, I guess it tracks a container, and then the fill is a width percentage on that container. So that's kind of yeah, that's fine. Then the value off to the side in a span, and then another rating row. So multiple ones of those. Then we have what I perceive after all the rating rows to be a footer with vote counts. Oh, vote count. Yeah, I don't know. I probably wouldn't have used a vote counts container. But then we have a vote item with an up or down arrow, a vote number, some vote text. Oh, okay. They have, okay, the vote counts is this container, and then there's a review meta, which is, I think, nope. Oh, yeah, which is this container. Okay, that's the reason there is a vote counts container. It's cut in half. Okay. It's a good overview of the HTML. In the CSS, we have only colors defined, no border radiuses, which is fine. And we have what looks like I didn't compare them. We have most of our selectors already defined. It looks like they intend to style some positive, negative stuff together. Interesting. Not bad, just interesting. All right. So as soon as I start typing, it is going to start the countdown. So we're just going to go with that. The first thing that I usually try to do is I try to put an outline on the entire thing and set some heights and widths for it. There's some weird thing going on with the positioning of these things on the screen. I haven't figured that out exactly yet, but there's something weird going on. But I try to set height and width of the entire thing to start with because that's the thing that gets you the most score the quickest. Yeah, that's why. So that's what I'm going to do. I set the entire thing and then I work a lot on getting the header right and then start working on the body. This time I'm going to try to get the header background set, the body background set, the footer background set might be the same. Don't know. And then kind of consistently refine each one into place instead of trying to get the header right like I would normally do when I was working on a project. I'm going to try to get each piece a little bit closer all the time. I don't know if that's going to work or not. Anyway, here we go. So outline, one cube, solid red. There is the thing. We're going to say width, 400 pixels. Going to turn that thing on. That's not wide enough. Let's try 500. That's a little wide. Let's say 490. 495 is getting us pretty close. Height is 300 pixels. 200. Nope. Okay. 250, 280, 270. 270 looks pretty good. We're going to get rid of the outline now. We are going to say over flow clip, and I'm going to say border radius 20 pixels. Don't know if that's right or not. We'll see. Okay, review header. We're going to say background. I'm going to say var. I don't know what it is. Header BG. That looks pretty good. We're going to give it a height of 100 pixels. That's too much. It was pretty close. 90 looks pretty good. Why is the border radius not working? Something is wrong here. Oh, that's what it is. Border radius looks like it's too much. Let's go to 15. 10. 15 looks better. The top doesn't look exactly right, but we only have 3% match right now. That's terrible. Okay. Next we have, what do we have? The next big block we have rating, we have review card, header, and then we have rating breakdown, which I think is the body. Let's see if we can find that. Rating breakdown. All right, let's put an outline on it. Line 1Q, solid red. Okay, it's not that bad. Height, let's make it 200 pixels. That may be way too much. 100, there we go. 150, 120, 130, 128-ish, something like that. We're also going to set background, var, bg, card bg. That helped. Now we're from 3% to 38%. Excuse me. Now the bottom thing, I think they call the rating footer, review footer. We're going to get that thing. We're going to set a background of var bg. Is there a footer? Button, tag, card, header, negative. Let's look and see if there's footer. Maybe it's card. Maybe it's the same. Maybe. I don't know. We're going to set it to card for now. And height looks okay-ish. And it's ending about the bottom. So we're going to stick with that. Okay. Now we're going to go back to the top and we're going to start setting the colors of some things and start organizing some stuff. So we have product info, which is this group of things. All right, so the first thing we need to do is say that the header is display flex. That's going to get the 4.7 over there. Product info is already displaying kind of like it flex. We also need some padding on this thing. Padding, 20 pixels. Looks too much up and down. Let's make it 15 and 20. That's a little better. Product info, verified purchase is product tag. Can we find that? There it is. Background, var, bg, tag. Looks right. Font, size, 15 pixels. Color, var, text, tag text. Looks okay. It's too tall, it's too big. It's more like 12. And then there's some padding. 5 pixels, 10 pixels. That's too much top and bottom. 2, 1. And then the padding on top is too much, I think. Let's make this 12. That's not terrible. And then this may be a little more, 50, 12, 15. The text is wrong. I need on this, I need a text transform uppercase. And then maybe the font size is too big. 10. 11. Whoops, not 101. Okay, that's enough time on that. We're going to the next thing. We're going to go color, var, text, button text, tag text. Let's try color, value color, product model color, maybe. Font size, 20 pixels. 18. That's not terrible. And then product model. I'm going to do color, var, product model. Oh, product. Let's do model color on this one and name color on this one. I think that's what it wants. Okay. And then let's do font size, 12 pixels. That's actually not terrible as far as the font size. The padding is still wrong. Not on that though. On this 10, that's the wrong one. 18, that's better. Product info, display, flex, direction, column, not column resize, COLUMN, gap, 2 pixels. 3, 4, 5. That's not terrible, but I did break this thing with 120 pixels. That's the wrong thing. That's the thing I want. Now it's getting its width from there. Okay. Hold on. The review card I have, review header, uh, justify content, space between, and then let's get rid of this. So it's growing to the size of its flex box. Is that the wrong thing? Yes, I want product tag to have a width. Whoops. Width 120 pixels. Okay. 150, 130, 5. Okay, well, that means my text is too big. 10. There we're getting closer. And then this is 130. Maybe this is a little less. 9. And then border radius, 5 pixels. Looks too much. 2, 3. Height, 20 pixels. Okay, that's enough messing with that for now. That's not at all right, but it is, it's probably some of that's padding. Make that 0 and then make this bigger. No. Okay, I should do this. 5. And then I can do this. 10. 12. It wraps it. Okay, we're going to leave that there. We have 22 seconds left. See, I just wasted all my time on minutia again. And I shouldn't have. All right. Yeah, I can't save it from here. We're gonna have 65 for the score. I get sucked into the details of getting stuff right and not focusing on the bigger picture. It's hard. It is hard. Yeah, I don't know. That's what I got. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.